you how to delete or how to remove a user account from your Mac. Now, if you have more than one user account, as the admin, you can actually delete other user accounts. And to do that, it's very simple. Just go to System Settings, either through the settings icon on the dock, or you can go to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your Mac and then click on System Settings. Either way, that should open this System Settings window. And on this window, if you scroll on the left-hand side panel, click on Users and Groups, and then find the user you want to delete. So for instance, if I want to get rid of this user, I'll just click on the eye icon on the right-hand side, and then from the pop-up window that appears, click on Delete User. Now, obviously, it's going to ask for the admin password. So just enter the password you normally use to log in or to log on to this particular Mac. Once you enter the correct password, it's going to give you these options. Are you sure you want to delete this user account? And then if you want to, you can save the home folder in a disk image. So the home folder of that particular user. If you want to, you can choose don't change the home folder, or you can delete everything concerning that particular user, which is the option I prefer, to delete the home folder and everything, including everything concerned with that particular user account. So I'll select that and then click on Delete User. And that user is going to get deleted and disappear from that list. And that is basically how you remove or delete a user account from your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.